I'm Mike Gannon from Full Service Aquatics and the Pond Hunter video series.
Okay, the excavation is complete. We've dug this pond down to 3 different levels. We have fish tunnels installed, 3 of them here that you can see. These are areas where the fish can go during the day. It gives them a lot of security and safety. And the irony of fish tunnels is the more you add hiding places in your pond, the more often your fish will come out. You can also see we've added planting pockets here in the pond. This allows us to plant directly in the pond without the use of containers, which is a real nice feature, a real naturalization process. The skimmer is in, our waterfall is still under works, and we're ready to put in the underlayment. What we use to create fish tunnels is corrugated pipe. This is actually a heavy-duty construction material that can handle a tremendous amount of load. So when we pack boulders and rockwork on top of it, we have no worries about this material caving in over a period of time. Okay, our underlayment has gone in. We use a heavy-duty felt underlayment, and you can see it really conforms to the excavation that we did. Even getting into the plant pockets and fish tunnels. It's a great material to use, greatly outweighs the benefits of sand or newspaper or those old methods of protecting the pond interior. Okay, the liner is in. We're using a 45 mil EPDM liner. Heavy duty stuff. Okay, the fish tunnels are in. We're ready for rock.
Bigger boulders call for bigger toys. What I have behind me is a Toro Dingo. This is a great machine for moving these larger pieces of stone that you just can't do by hand or by wheelbarrow. And it's helping us build this wall back here for this pond installation that we're doing. We'll take a look a little later and show you the wall and the stones that we've been moving back and forth. But until then, I gotta get back to work.
Part of the design process with any pond installation is doing a quick wash of the rockwork. With just a little bit of water, you can really see the colors and textures starting to merge on these stones. Some good looking stuff once it's cleaned up. You can see here the finished result of this pond. Nice, beautiful, clear water. The fish are already in there utilizing the fish tunnels and fish caves that we've built. The plant pockets are doing wonderfully. The plants are thriving inside here. It really just came together really nicely. Here you can see the fish going right into the tunnel that we've built for them. Fish caves and fish tunnels are great. The fish love to use them. They go in and out of them all day long. It's really a fun way to enjoy fish inside your pond.